Aging may be a part of life, but losing strength, energy, and confidence doesn't have to be. As we move past 30, subtle changes start to occur. Our muscles shrink, our bones weaken, and flexibility becomes a bit more elusive. But here's the good news. The right exercises can slow down, even reverse many of these effects. You don't need an expensive gym membership or hours of your day. Just a few simple movements done consistently can help you stay strong, mobile, and energized as you age. Let's dive into 5 proven exercises that support healthy aging, build strength, and boost vitality. Squats. The foundation of lower body strength, squats are a must as we age. They don't just tone your legs and glutes, they also improve balance, protect your joints, and help maintain bone density. Everyday tasks like standing up, bending down, or climbing stairs become easier when your legs are strong. To do them right, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips like you're sitting into a chair, and keep your chest lifted. Push through your heels to rise back up. Aim for control over speed and repeat for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Push-ups. Push-ups are a timeless classic for good reason. They build upper body and core strength, help maintain muscle tone, and promote heart health. They're also incredibly versatile. Whether on your toes, knees, or against a wall, there's a version for everyone. Keep your body in a straight line, hands under shoulders, and lower yourself until your chest is close to the ground. Then push back up with strength and control. Do 2 sets of 8 to 12 reps and modify as needed. Walking. Don't underestimate the power of walking. It's low impact, requires no equipment, and can dramatically improve your health. Just 30 minutes a day can lower your risk of heart disease, reduce stress, and boost your mood. Walk briskly, swing your arms, and keep your posture upright. Whether it's around the block or on a treadmill, consistency is what counts. Aim to make it a part of your daily routine. Plank. A strong core is more than just aesthetic, it's the backbone of good posture, stability, and injury prevention. Planks are one of the best exercises for core strength, and they do it without putting strain on your back. Start on your forearms, elbows under your shoulders, and keep your body in a straight line. Tighten your core, avoid sagging hips, and hold. Begin with 20 to 30 seconds and work your way up as you build strength. Stretching or yoga. Staying flexible and balanced is key to staying independent as we age. Gentle stretching or yoga helps release tension, improve mobility, and calm the nervous system. Even a few minutes a day can reduce the risk of falls and support your mental well-being. Try simple movements like reaching for your toes, side bends, or poses like child's pose and downward dog. Focus on deep breathing and slow, mindful motion. Remember, aging is natural, but how you feel each day is something you can influence. Movement is medicine. Pair these exercises with healthy food, quality sleep, and hydration, and you'll be on the path to aging with strength and grace. If this inspired you, be sure to subscribe for more health tips designed to help you live your best life, stronger, healthier, and full of energy.